Hi everyone, welcome to my unboxing and review of the LED puck lights with remote control. You can get this product on Amazon for about $20. Check out the link in the description. The set comes with assembly instructions and customer service information. The puck lights are battery operated, and unfortunately you need 3 AA batteries for each light. I would prefer a built-in rechargeable battery instead. The lights are easy to operate and you can choose between different colors. You can also operate the lights with a wireless remote control. The lights are dimmable from 10 to 100%, they have a flash and a fade mode, and also a timing function. The lights are very easy to install thanks to the included adhesive tape. I tested the LED lights for a few days and they work pretty good. So if you are looking for some battery operated color changing LED lights as closet light or under cabinet lighting, I would recommend the LED puck lights with remote control. Leave a comment below if you have any questions or comments about this product, and subscribe for more amazing product reviews.